Our offices have transitioned to a more connected workspace, including our office phone systems. As pro dealers, we can help you sort through the best options and types of small business phone systems to find the best internet phone system for your office. And that one that is perfect for that remote worker to use a web phone or to use their smartphone. Even VoIP phone solutions that allows your front desk staff to see at a glance who is on a call and connect them perfectly. We also helped offices benefit from advanced options like door access and overhead paging tied right into your phone system. We even offer camera systems that provide you a clear view of your facilities to provide a more secure environment. To learn more, call us today or visit our website at absofficephones.com.